Hello, in this section we will start to implement the validation component. First I will run the project and see the value of the rendering of this HTML. So it's like red for the social media, and now you can type anything here and you can sign in. Every click on the button they go to the server and back, okay, without any action. So now we have to implement the validator, the validation. Under the validation tab there is required field validator. We can drag and drop after the text box, okay, and the error message, what the message should be displayed when the user does not enter anything. So I will start 3* for required field, and here we have to write control to validate, and we have to copy the reference, the ID of the text box. So in this case, where the user click on the button and the username is empty, the 3* will appear as a required field. I will show you here. Play. Okay, it's loading on the page. So when I click sign in, the 3 button is here. I will change their color because it's not the color to change is for color equal red, and we run it again. And now I will click on sign in button directly, and you see the 3 buttons that I have to enter the username here. And same concept we will do for the password. I get it from here and set it from here, but please change the ID, the reference. The ID is txt password, and set here and here. So now when I run the project and I click submit, when I click submit, so there is a notification to enter the first one. Let's say I write anything, you see that 3 dots disappear, and this for this, and now you can sign in. Okay, for the validation component, it's to record if the user enter in the text box or not.